Little Rock approach, Skyhawk 7837 Golf, 5,500, and we'd like to do the practice ILS approach into Pine Bluff for 18.
Alright, Skyhawk 7837 Golf, Little Rock approach. What practice approach did you want?
The ILS for 18 at Pine Bluff, 37 Golf.
Skyhawk 37 Golf, Roger, and did you say you wanted the arc there?
Yes. Yeah, it's like the arc to 37 Golf.
Skyhawk 37 Golf, Roger, maintain VFR, cross Ioun at or above 3,700, cleared ILS runway 18 approach.
Cross Ioun at or above 3,700, cleared the ILS approach, 37 Golf. Alright.
1150 Zulu.
Pat 0506 Little Rock approach, maintain VFR, squawk 1677.
10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 23 Celsius. Altimeter 3001. Remarks. Density altitude 1000.
Second 1939 Charlie, Roger, and yeah, resume on navigation, let me know if you need anything.
Alright, so you can go ahead and descend down, and then you can also
0506, radar contact 8 miles west of
this approach
Little Rock
into
Airport,
your GPS. You've already been cleared for it.
No, I got it.
Can you
I'm sorry.
maintain your own training instruction clearance to reaching 3,200? 506, Roger, clear to the El Paso Airport as filed. Climb and maintain 15,000. Expect flight level 240 in 10 minutes. Skyhawk 37 Golf, is this going to be a full stop at Pine Bluff?
No.
Go mist and then
publish hold.
no, we're gonna go mist and then do the published hold, and then we'll go back to El Dorado, 37 Golf.
Skyhawk 37 Golf, Roger. Skyhawk 37 Golf on the go, execute the published mist.
What do you say?
On the go, execute the published mist. So just say execute published mist on
Execute
the
the mist on the go, 37 Golf.
Okay, so you've got your approach loaded, right?
Yeah.
What you need to do is activate it, right? So go to direct. So here's an easy way. Just go to hit the direct button.
I've been doing this all day.
Or wait, hold on. Flight plan. Okay, you see cursor in, and then enter. Or direct, I'm sorry. So go back up. Now hit direct. Okay. All right, now you can go down to 3,700.
I feel like after I loaded on RNAV approach, I just hit direct. I might have had flight plan pulled up. I don't know. I've been doing it all week. Now I can't do it.
That's okay.
Alright, I got the ILS for 18 pulled up at Pine Bluff. The plate is current. Localizer frequency is 111.7. Track is fucking loose. 111.7, we have that on the secondary. We're currently tracking the VOR frequency. We are inbound to Ioun at or above 3,700. We will perform the arc. So we get to Raylo. At Raylo, we will be 2,000 or above. Raylo is 8 miles off the localizer. And we will intercept Tucker at 5.1 miles off the runway. Reading that right, ain't I? 5.1 miles off the localizer.
Oh, yeah, Tucker is 1.5 miles from the end of the runway.
That's all aircraft information. Golf is current. Winds 210 at 7 altimeter 29907. Hazardous weather information. Convective SIGMET 80 and 82 central for thunderstorms in the state of Arkansas. Available on all flight service frequencies.
All right. So, what else are you forgetting with this briefing?
And we got ASOS is the weather at 20.775. We're talking to Little Rock approach.
1939 Charlie, traffic.
Who are we going to be talking to next?
East your position, northwest, down, and Airbus 320, 8,000.
But
who are we going to be talking to next?
We're going to be talking to our advisory frequency.
Okay. All right, so
2672 traffic, 11:12 o'clock, and 10 miles maneuvering to Technam 3,900, remaining below 4,000.
So we got our C staff right here. Tucker, how is Tucker 1 mile off the runway?
Tucker's not. Tucker's 5.1 mile off the runway.
That's off the localizer though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's my DME off the localizer?
Yes, that would be your DME off of the ILS system.
Our missed approach will climb to 1,000, then a climbing right turn.
Yeah, just go ahead and put that on 244. I just want to see if it'll work.
Okay, climb to 1,000, climbing right turn, 2,000 on 211 radial from the Pine Bluff VOR. To Ryzen, which is a 15 DME, and hold.
So what kind of entry would that be?
That is a teardrop entry.
Okay.
Make a teardrop entry into the Ryzen at 15 and hold. Our minimums on an ILS approach will be 466. Oh yeah, that's yeah. I mean, got 6,000 feet of runway, touchdown zone elevation 206 feet, 466 foot. So that
2672 traffic, no factor. Descent and policy question maintain 2,000.
Okay, so just a real easier, simple way to brief this approach is the plate is in date. This is the ILS
1939
for runway 18 to Pine Bluff. Our landing distance or our runway length is 5,998 feet long. Touchdown zone elevation is 206. Airport elevation is 206. Our final approach course is 178, and our localizer is 111.7, and we have that in the box right there. All right, we're looking at our
672. Turn left heading 300.
We're looking at our notes. I don't see anything out of the ordinary as to, well, we can't do this approach. We've listened to the weather, 120.77.
414 Golf Golf.
We've got Unicom
2997
in our standby. We're going to maintain at or above 3,700 until we get to Raylo. At that point, we'll drop down to at or above 2,000. We'll intercept the localizer at 1,900 at Tucker, and we'll go down to 466 feet. If we do not break out of the clouds at 466, then what we'll do is we'll climb out to 1,000, then make a climbing right turn to 2,000, direct to Horizon on the 211 radial, and hold. And that's it.
sorry, but I don't see KCAC on the altitude on 2,000. What's 2,000? No PT.
No procedure turn. So I'd go ahead and set up your final approach course.
Oh no, that means just. So now we're just looking for Raylo.
Yeah.
So
on the 258, looks like.
350.
Or 358, my bad.
So pretty much if we just maintain 8 miles from it and intercept 358,
that's it.
That's,
yep. Ask Little Rock if they approved us to change frequencies.
Little Rock approach, Skyhawk 7837 Golf. Are we good to change the advisory frequency in Pine Bluff?
Skyhawk 78737 Golf, affirmative. Change to advisory frequency is approved, and just give me a call whenever you're airborne on the mist.
Call you back when we're back airborne on the mist. 37 Golf.
Ooh, what are you doing? Why are we turning left?
7.7 miles from the VOR.
Yeah, but we're 8.8 miles from Raylo. You've got a mile, so now we're at Raylo, so we need to turn inbound. So, and then we swap over to...
I'm fucked up.
Yep, go ahead and swap over. Yeah, so you were still within your tolerance. You know, because you got a mile plus or minus, right? So we didn't need to make that correction at all, being that close.
I didn't realize we were that close to it.
Right.
Damn it.
So look at your course now, okay? Let's
over.
Yep, get back over to it.
Getting there.
All right, let's get it down to 2,000. That way we can intercept that that glide slope. We want to intercept it from below, not above. All right, watch your course. And remember, the closer you get on these ILS approaches, the more sensitive it is. You're going to have to fly heading of 198 just to maintain that course. Look at the winds. Wow. Go. All right, you can go ahead and make a call that you're about 10 miles north on the ILS 18.
Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 7837 Golf is 10 miles to the north on the ILS for 18, Pine Bluff. I'm still aggravated.
At what?
Raylo.
Don't worry about it. You're on course now, you're stable, so that's good.
I'm low.
Oh, you're splitting hairs. It's 20 feet. Gosh dang. Don't worry about being that low. I mean, you're less than 20 feet.
I'll just drop to 500 here.
All right, so you're getting close to 1 mile from your final approach. So what do we do at 1 mile?
I'm going to start my pre-landing checklist.
Yeah, we're going to start configuring.
All right. Alright. Alright, there's 1.1. Go ahead and make sure we're rich. We're on. I'm in the white arc.
Caravan,
1, 2.
to the west, left call, hot spring.
All right, there's your glide slope. All right, start following it down.
I'm pulling it, I'm pulling.
There you go.
You pull car feet the same way?
If I remember.
Yeah.
All right, so your ground speed is 60 knots, so what is a good descent rate?
Oh, I don't know that, Matt.
Okay, so real easy.
5.06 minutes a second. I don't know.
So, real easy. 60 knot ground speed, divide that by 2. That gives you 30, right? Add a 0, 300 foot per minute. So, if you had a 100 knot ground speed, divide it by 2, 500 foot a minute.
Well, I guess that's typical for...
That's to maintain a 3-degree glide slope, you know, capturing that, your glide slope there.
Divide it by 2 and add a 0?
Yep. And look, we're about 300 feet per minute right now, according to your trend, and we're right on the glide slope.
Alright, we're on glide slope. I'm going to go ahead and put my minimum in. Pine Bluff traffic, Skyhawk 7837 Golf, 2.5 mile final, runway 18. I'm going to go missed. Pine Bluff. 1100 for 5. Alright, there's minimums.
Alright. Can't see the runway? Go missed. Go missed. Full power. Yep.
Alright, we're off localizer. We're back on the VOR. Alright, we want to intercept that 211 radial.